Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Hello, friends. Let's learn some colors today. Come along, friends, let's learn some colors today. Come along and sing with me. Hey! Look at the cow, she's red today. Moo, 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 she loves to play. And see the duck, he's blue, hooray. Quack, 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 swimming all the way. Here comes the sheep, she's yellow and sweet. Baa, 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 dancing on her feet. The little frog jumps, he's green, so neat. Ribbit, 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 hopping down the street. Look at the cat, she's orange, meow. Purring soft and gentle now. The bird is purple, flying high. Tweet, 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 up in the sky. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, colors we've seen. Animals colorful, singing with glee. Come on, friends, sing with me. Ooh, quack, bah. Goodbye, little friends, it's time to rest. Colors and animals, we love the best. Moo, quack, bah.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.